Hey there, automotive enthusiasts. Welcome back to Weekly Tools, the go-to place for everything related to cars and diagnostics. Today, we have something special for you, the Launch CRP129i OBD2 scanner. We'll take a deep dive into its features, functionality, and how it can make your car diagnostics a breeze. But before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest reviews and tips. Now, let's get into it. If you're interested in purchasing this scanner, we've included a link in the video description below. First up, let's talk about the crystal clear 5-inch touchscreen display. It's intuitive, responsive, and provides you with all the information you need at your fingertips. Navigating through the menus is a breeze, even for those new to OBD2 scanners. The Launch CRP129i is more than just your average OBD2 scanner. It's a powerful diagnostic tool designed to meet the needs of both deers and professionals. With a sleek design and a user-friendly interface, it promises to make troubleshooting your vehicle's issues a walk in the park. Connecting the CRP129i to your vehicle is a piece of cake. Simply plug it into the OBD2 port and you're good to go. The scanner supports a wide range of vehicles, making it a versatile tool for various makes and models. Now let's talk about key features and benefits. Diagnoses engine, ABS, seniors, and transmission systems get comprehensive diagnostic information on 4 key systems, helping you pinpoint the exact problem. Reads and clears fault codes, identify and clear error codes, turning off the annoying malfunction indicator light and saving money on unnecessary repairs. Live data stream, monitor real-time data with 4 PIDs simultaneously, allowing you to analyze sensor performance and troubleshoot problems effectively. 8 reset functions, perform essential service resets such as oil light reset, TPMs reset, and EPB reset without needing a professional. Injector coding, reprogram your car's injector data for optimal fuel efficiency and performance. Large 5-color LCD screen, view clear and detailed diagnostic information with ease. Lifetime free Wi-Fi updates, access the latest software updates and expanded vehicle compatibility for future needs. Easy to use, simple and intuitive interface makes it perfect for both DIY enthusiasts and professional mechanics. Multilingual support, choose from various languages for convenient operation. Battery voltage test, monitor your car's battery health to prevent unexpected breakdowns. Benefits: save money on car repairs by diagnosing and fixing problems yourself. Avoid unnecessary trips to the mechanic. Get peace of mind knowing your car is in good condition. Improve fuel efficiency and performance. Extend the lifespan of your vehicle. Who is it for? DIY car enthusiasts, professional mechanics, anyone who wants to take control of their car's health. And for those who want even more convenience, the CRP129i supports Bluetooth connectivity. You can connect it to your smartphone using the Launch app, allowing you to access and analyze data right from your mobile device. Here are some pros and cons about Launch CRP129i. Pros: comprehensive diagnostics, live data streaming, 8 reset functions, injector coding, large, clear screen, easy-to-use app, lifetime free updates, affordable price. Cons: limited support for some older vehicles. In conclusion, the Launch CRP129i OBD2 scanner is a top-notch diagnostic tool that combines power and precision. Whether you're a deer or a professional mechanic, this scanner will undoubtedly make your life easier when it comes to diagnosing and troubleshooting vehicle issues. If you're interested in taking your car diagnostics to the next level, check out the links in the description below. And as always, thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more automotive content. Until next time, happy driving!